Hello guys, welcome to Tuhin Editing and welcome to another new tutorial. It will be a Lightroom preset tutorial. We are going to make a effect that will be Cyberpunk effect. It's a new game, Cyberpunk, which will be released very soon. So we are going to make the effect look like Cyberpunk-ish kind of. And to make this effect, we are going to use Adobe Lightroom specially, and then two other small software from Google Play Store, completely free. And I'm going to give you the DNG file completely free. You can test it on your device, and it's also usable in the PC version of the Lightroom. To capture this Cyberpunk effect, we are going to need a lot of light behind us, and especially this effect is going to be for the abstract stuff like cars and other scenarios, not for human skins, because the hue and saturation will be very higher and different for using on the skin. But I'll try to make it usable for the human skin later, maybe next version. So we're going to use our Google Pixel first version for this image, and if you can use some other better cameras like Sony Alpha or Canon 1DX whatever, then the output will be even better. I'm going to give the free DNG file, and now we are going to get some good lighting there and make some photographs for using this effect. So let's get started.
Bring the madness.
So this is the result of the image that we used for the Cyberpunk effect. We are giving the DNG file for free. Just download the DNG file. It's password protected, so watch the full video, because at some point, there will be 2 card on top right corner with 4-digit password. Use that to download. After downloading, follow these steps to copy the effect from DNG file to your photos. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. After using the Lightroom, we will use 2 more free apps from Play Store. Of course, you can stop editing after Lightroom. But if you want to add some extra details, these apps are needed. Download Logolicious and 90s app from the Google Play Store. And follow my video tutorial. Feel free to ask for any kind of help if you need. Thanks.